Turn your website visitors into eager subscribers with a high-converting lead magnet page designed on Beehiiv. First, let's dive into your Beehiiv dashboard. Navigate to the Pages section. This is where we'll begin building your lead magnet's dedicated home. Click Create New Page and select Lead Magnet Page. Beehiiv offers a fantastic starting point, so don't be afraid to explore their predestined templates to spark your creativity. Now let's craft a magnetic headline. This is your first impression, so make it clear, benefit-driven, and directly related to the value your lead magnet offers. Think in terms of what your ideal subscriber wants. Next, write a compelling description. Use bullet points to highlight the key takeaways and unique benefits of your lead magnet. Focus on solving a problem or fulfilling a desire for your audience. Visuals are crucial. Upload a high-quality image or an attractive mock-up of your lead magnet. This gives your potential subscribers a tangible representation of what they're about to receive. Now, let's set up your sign-up form. Keep it simple. Usually, an email field is all you need, but you can add other optional fields if they're essential for segmentation. Crucially, configure your thank you page. This is your opportunity to deliver the lead magnet directly and continue engaging your new subscriber. Make sure the download link is prominent and clear here. Once you're happy with the design and content, hit Publish. Congratulations! You've just created a powerful lead magnet page on Beehiiv, ready to attract and convert new subscribers for your newsletter.